Welcome back to We're Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of April 12th, 2021. This week is Money Smart Week. We'll be reading Nancy Shaw's Sheep in a Shop and painting our own piggy banks. Sheep in a Shop by Nancy Shaw, illustrated by Margot Apple. A birthday's coming, hip hooray! 5 sheep shop for the big, big day. Sheep find rackets, sheep find rockets, sheep find jackets full of pockets. Sheep find blocks, sheep wind clocks, sheep try trains, sheep fly planes. Sheep decide to buy a beach ball, sheep prefer an out-of-reach ball. Sheep climb, sheep grumble, sheep reach, sheep fumble. Sheep sprawl, boxes tumble, boxes fall in one big jumble. Sheep put back the beach ball stack, they choose some ribbon from the rack. They dump their bank, pennies clank, there's not enough to buy this stuff. Sheep blink, sheep think, what can they swap to pay the shop? Sheep clip wool, 3 bags full. Sheep trade, the bill is paid. Sheep hop home in the warm spring sun. They're ready for some birthday fun. The end. Okay, so we're going to paint piggy banks. They are fragile. They're made out of a white terracotta, kind of like a flower pot. The first thing you're going to do is take off the thing that holds in the money, the little stopper, because you don't want to paint on that. What I want to do is make my piggy purple with blue spots. So I have the blue. I'm going to put that aside for now because we're going to do the purple first, the base coat, and we need to let it dry. I do have white and black to make eyes. There's these tiny little eyes. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm probably going to make them bigger. To do the eyes, that might be a bit big. This is for the spots. I'm going to dip it in the blue and give them spots. To do the eyes, I got the Q-tip. So maybe I'll just do the black instead of doing white with it. I'll decide once it's done, but in the meantime, I got purple and I got a regular, this is a sponge paintbrush. You can use a regular paintbrush if you want. Entirely up to you. I haven't used this paint yet. I'm using acrylic paint. However, if acrylic gets on your clothes, it's really difficult, if not impossible, to get it out. So you might want to just go with a tempera paint because it's water-based and egg-based, and you can get it out if you rinse it right away. The acrylic stays on better. However, I doubt very highly you'll have your little piggies outside in the rain, so it shouldn't be too big a problem. I think I'm just going to squirt it right on there. I have this paper just to keep it safe, and I'm just going to spread it evenly. It should dry pretty quickly. For some reason, paint dries pretty quickly on terracotta. And we'll just paint him all purple, and then I will show you how I add the little dots. Okay, so this took about 10 minutes to dry. It's pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do is put some dots on it. I practiced over here. What I did was I dipped it in the blue that I put in the lid, scraped it off a little, and see on there. And I just put it on. And it's not perfect because nobody's perfect. There's a few little damp spots, but pretty much dry. What we're gonna do, I have some pennies, lucky pennies there. Just gonna stick the bottom in and just kind of shove it down in there. Careful, you just want to get the little lip part in. You don't want to get the whole thing in, or else it's a pain to get out. Let's see, now that's all sealed. And I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to put a few lucky pennies in. 2, 3. And oh, they're in there. So that's it. That's how you make your piggy bank.